Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You're watching DIP&ART. This is the second class of Diwani Jali script for those who are new, and we are learning how to write ha or jeem in Diwani Jali script. I started by drawing 4 dots and used the same angles as I told you in previous video. I'm making 5 dots for the width. This is for the body. To attain the ideal shape, we have to follow these measures. Now we have 4 type of movements here, and here I'm making the third one. There should be the space of 2 dots between the first move and the move I am making here. These 2 moves should be similar in height and also in width. Over here there should be a 1 dot space. Now 2 types of ha you can make in Diwani Jali. First one is this and second one is that. We have another option. It's just like the first one I made, but there is a bit difference in our last move. And also we have just 1 dot space over here. Here I'm showing the difference by placing some arrows and their movements. So these are the 2 options for making the first type of ha. For making the head part, I'm using ice cream stick here because we need a lesser width. बहुत कम width हमें चाहिए होती है, जिसकी वजह से मैंने ice cream sticks का इस्तेमाल किया है, जो कि ice cream sticks you can just cut it in a slanted way and then use it anywhere you want. So this is the shape to draw head of the ha. There is another type of ha I'm gonna be telling you. We have just 2 movements. This is the easy one, but I prefer the first one. This is also pretty, but I prefer the first one. Now for the head part, for this ha we are using the same as the previous one. To make it jeem or kha, you can place nukat on their respective places. Let's see what will be the shape of the ha when we are gonna use in making combinations. In option 1, this is the main word and this is the tip of the ha we are gonna be using in a word. Okay. In second option, we combine infinity symbol with the letter. It's just like infinity symbol. इसको other letter के साथ हमने combine करके shape दे देना होती है. So these are the 2 options we are gonna be using in the combination. Now let's try ba और ha को किस तरह combine करना है. This is the first move is for the ba and the second is ha. I'm using the infinity one, and I forgot to place a dot beneath. Sorry for that. The main thing you have to remember is how to use letter ha or kha. Depends upon the letter coming after it. That its shapes depend upon the letter coming after it. If you are still watching the video, please like and share it with your friends who are interested in learning Arabic calligraphy and the Diwani Jali script. Now let's try to write some words using these letters. Let's try the easy one first. The word is hajab. So we are using ha, alif, jeem and ba. Our movement should be like that. This is the head. This should be the width of the dots I placed. And then jeem. We have to fill the spaces in Diwani Jali. With the letters or words, we have to fill the space in between. And this is the ba I'm writing at the end. Let's try to use these letters in the most difficult word, tajib, which is ya, ha, ta, jeem, and the last one is ba. Just focus on the movement of kalam. That's how you are using it. And now dots for the tajib. You can use another type of ha. This is the example जिसमें मैं use करूँगी दूसरी type of ha को, जिसमें infinity वाला symbol use किया जाता है. The concept will be more clear if you watch the video until the end. I have to make the long video. let's try with another example in which I'm using just these words, ha and jeem. Hajj, which is Hajj. I'm using the both type of hats here, which is the first one is the simple one and the second one is the infinity one. चलिए और एग्जांपल से कॉन्सेप्ट को क्लियर करते हैं. एक और वर्ड है विच इज़ हिजाब, विच इज़ द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ हा, जीम, अलिफ एंड बा. एंड गौर करें विद द मूवमेंट्स कि कलम को कैसे मूव कर रही हूँ मैं. With a little bit practice you can understand everything. It's easy but you have to just practice it. यहाँ पे मज़ीद एग्जांपल्स मैं लिख रही हूँ. I hope I'm able to make things easy for you guys. There are many more combinations. बहुत सारी एग्जांपल्स हैं जिसमें आपको इनको यूज़ कर सकते हैं, डिफरेंट तरीक़ों के साथ यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू क्या आपको किसके साथ कौन से वाला हा यूज़ करना है. जैसे कि लाम के साथ हम इस तरह का हा यूज़ करते हैं. एंड देन द सेकंड वर्ड आई एम गोना बी शोइंग यू गाइस, अलहम्द के साथ हा किस तरह का यूज़ करते हैं. एंड ये आपको साथ साथ सीखने में पता चलता जाएगा. यहाँ पे मैंने जितना पॉसिबल हो सका उतने कॉम्बिनेशंस के साथ आपको समझाने की कोशिश किया है, बट देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ वेरिएशंस इन इट, सो आई होप you understand it. Time to say goodbye. I'll see you in our next video, inshallah. This is me, Ikra, signing off. Fi amanillah.